beautiful. Alhamdulillah. Got all of these little, let me see, can I turn the camera around while I'm live? Oh, I can. Let me see. Told y'all I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So I don't know what little creature possibly lives in here. I don't want to disturb it, whatever it is. And I don't know about y'all, but I love the sound of leaves under my feet in the fall. Like that fall ASMR just makes me feel so good, right? And just all the colors. That's one thing I love about Michigan in the fall, is that you get all the colors, right? Look at that tree. Ooh, here's one with some red back there. I don't know if y'all see it, but it's beautiful. And it's just such a blessing. I mean, to be able to walk in it of itself is a blessing. But being able to walk in a beautiful place like this is just something I have so much gratitude for. And just to be able to see the nuances of nature. Like, look at this tree.